Hi guys, it's Tara here from Made4Mums, and today we are looking in the Bounty Mum to Be pack. It's a free pack that you can get. How you can get it is in the, there's an article in the description below this video, but we want to see what you actually get, so let's crack it open. Okay, very gracefully. Well, you're definitely going to need nappies. Tesco loves baby, newborn. Nice big pack there. 25 nappies. That'll do you a day or two. Okay. A buying guide from Bounty. Talking about pushchairs, car seats. Could be some pretty interesting information there. Moses baskets. So that could be a handy read. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, a pen, because you always need to make a note of things that you forget once you've got baby brain. Always dailies. You might just find they come in handy. We've got wet wipes, small pack, quite handy for if you want those in a little nappy bag. And nice little bottle there of cocoa butter, stretch marks, formula. Yeah, that's what you get in the Mums to Be Bounty pack.